Is your Roborock S5 giving you headaches because it won't charge and is not working optimally?
Surprise, surprise.
Let's diagnose and fix your Roborock S5 together. Let's see how we can help our customers with their robot vacuum problems. This Roborock S5 robot vacuum wouldn't charge and wasn't working as it should, so the customer wanted us to fix it. When dismantled the robot vacuum, we were shocked to find it covered in dust and dirt. Wow! Dust party on the LiDAR. Look at all that dust. This robot vacuum has been through some dirty adventures. Those dust piles can clog the robot vacuum and cause it to underperform. Oh no! Check out this fan suction. These parts are totally clogged. No wonder this robot vacuum has been struggling. OMG! This castor wheel can no longer spin with ease. Oh how crazy! Look at all that dust and dirt clogging that wheel. If this robot vacuum is still working flawlessly with all that dust and dirt, that's amazing. We've cracked the problem. A faulty battery and layers of dust and dirt. We suggest a battery replacement and deep cleaning service. With the customer's approval, we proceed to service and repair. Before returning the robot vacuum to the customer, we will perform unit testing to confirm its functionality. Tada! Shining and fresh, ready to take on any mess. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.